Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 341. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. His voice was hoarse because he shouted. B. His voice was hoarse because he had been shouting. C. His voice is hoarse because he shouts. D. His voice will be hoarse because he will shout. Correct answer, his voice was hoarse because he had been shouting. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 342. Which tense is used for stating general facts or permanent truths? A. The sun rises in the east. B. The sun is rising in the east. C. The sun rose in the east. D. The sun will rise in the east. Correct answer, the sun rises in the east. Simple present tense. Question number 343. Which tense describes a temporary action that is happening around the present moment? A. I live in a temporary apartment these days. B. I am living in a temporary apartment these days. C. I lived in a temporary apartment these days. D. I will live in a temporary apartment these days. Correct answer, I am living in a temporary apartment these days. Present continuous tense. Question number 344. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, with a specific past time reference? A. She arrived home at 10 p.m. B. She arrives home at 10 p.m. C. She is arriving home at 10 p.m. D. She has arrived home at 10 p.m. Correct answer, she arrived home at 10 p.m., simple past tense. Question number 345. Which tense is used for predictions about the future that are somewhat uncertain or based on personal belief? A. I guess he will come. B. I guess he is coming. C. I guess he is going to come. D. I guess he came. Correct answer, I guess he will come. Simple future tense. Question number 346. Which tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present, or have a relevant present result? A. I lost my keys. The result is I can't get in now. B. I lost my keys last night. C. I am losing my keys. D. I lose my keys. Correct answer, I lost my keys. Present perfect tense. Question number 347. Which tense describes a continuous action in the past that was interrupted by a shorter, sudden past action? A. While I watched TV, the doorbell rang. B. While I was watching TV, the doorbell rang. C. While I have watched TV, the doorbell rang. D. While I watch TV, the doorbell rings. Correct answer, when I arrived, the meeting had started. Past perfect tense. Question number 348. What tense describes things you do every day or a general fact that is always true? A. I am going to school now. B. I go to school every day. C. I went to school yesterday. D. I will go to school tomorrow. Correct answer, I go to school every day. Simple present tense. Question number 349. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future, as an expected ongoing activity? A. This time next year, I teach English in Japan. B. This time next year, I will teach English in Japan. C. This time next year, I will be teaching English in Japan. D. This time next year, I am teaching English in Japan. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be teaching English in Japan. Future continuous tense. Question number 350. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, showing the sequence? A. He ate breakfast before he left. B. He had eaten breakfast before he left. C. He eats breakfast before he leaves. D. He is eating breakfast before he leaves. Correct answer, he had eaten breakfast before he left. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.